Okay, so are you offering money? This. I just wanted to ask straight this question. I think BJP is accusing you. Pankaj, Congress is also accusing Aam Aadmi Party, and both sides are accusing AAP of offering money and alcohol to people to influence voters. Are you doing that? My question is to Priyanka Kakkar, official AAP national spokesperson. Are you offering money, to
Good evening, Arnab.
get the votes?
Of course not. I mean, they always try to throw mud at us, try to defame us, and they want to project to the world that we are like them and no different. Their problem is that they have no credibility. आपने सबने देखा कि कैसे परवेश वर्मा ने कैश बांटा, ये मीडिया ने स्टिंग किया. Did you see any investigation on that?
No, what they're saying is many vehicles have come from Punjab for. They're saying many vehicles have come from Punjab. Parvesh Verma is saying, and he's saying what is in those vehicles, what is inside those vehicles, and they're saying that a lot of trucks are coming, and vehicles are coming from Punjab. Is that true? Why are you bringing vehicles from Punjab?
He also Unfortunately, he also said that Punjabis are a khatra because Ganatantra Divas is around the corner. This is shameful. He is like, Bhajpa ki ye vibhajankari rajniti. This is just one more praman of that. Right now, volunteers from all over India are doing prachar from us. What is so illegal about it? And it is for the same for the UP. Today, the UP CM is in Delhi and lying about his UP model. Do you think he's alone or with his convoy? Do you think he's with his
I'll take that to Shazia. Shazia, you are...
Top to bottom.
Shazia, she's calling your party, not you. She's calling your party liars. Now, do you have any proof against this actually that, do you have something to substantiate this, that vehicles and cash and trucks are coming in? You must have some proof. And here is an open opportunity to you to show the proof and expose Priyanka.
And what a failure, law and order.
So, when it comes to electoral expenses,
that is true and
also when it comes to security arrangements around a very sensitive time of the year, which is 26 January, everybody has every right to question the presence of so many cars. And it's not a matter of Punjab, they could be from Telangana or Kerala. But Parvesh Verma insinuates and says that and Sandeep Dixit has also went and complained as to what is this so many cars doing there and what are they distributing, what is going on, and whether there is any misuse of state machinery when it comes to Punjab and in distributing stuff. But going from that, I was part of the Anna movement, IAC. Even before anybody, the idea that it would be a party was a figment of anybody's imagination. And Anna warned against three things. And one was, of course, alcohol and alcoholism. And it says that it leads to social malaise and leads to terrible things.
Yeah.
Second thing was about corruption. And third was about note se vote or vote se note. He said all this while, this is what's been happening in our country, and we must move away from that. But I am telling you myself, when I was a candidate for Aam Aadmi Party in R.P. Gurgaon, when there was a fake sting against me, later on I learned it was by Aam Aadmi Party people itself, by Manish Sisodia and gang. We used to have all the complaints against one person called Dheeraj Tokas. And you will not believe it, after I left Aam Aadmi Party, everybody knows about it, it's his wife Parmila Tokas who gets a ticket every time. And the entire AAP unit went to the cops some 10 times during that period, complaining against Parmila and Dheeraj Tokas, distributing money and distributing sharab. So this is who they are, and this I know. And imagine,
but everybody is accusing. No, everybody is accusing too.
I'm just saying that this party has lost its moorings.
No, but now
moral moorings.
But now is the money being offered?
What evidence do they have?
What evidence does the Congress party have against the BJP and the AAP? They're saying this. Let me go to Pankaj. Pankaj, they are saying that people are being given 1,000 rupee notes. Kalibari area, Sanjay Singh, they're distributing 1,000 rupee notes to people. Now, is this just being said? Or you're preparing the ground? This is your EVM excuse. Because you can't blame the EVMs now, so you've started accusing the cash. Is there any proof you are aware the Congress has on this?
Social media is flooded with the visuals. how BJP is distributing money and how Aam Aadmi Party is distributing money. See, for BJP, it was never new. They were throwing enormous money during elections for last 10 years. Everyone knows it. Now, AAP, as a B team of BJP, since now they also have a lot of money by, through corruption they have earned in the education sector, in every sector, in health sector, thousands of crores of rupees. So they are also throwing money. See, this A team and B team in Delhi, they have ruined Delhi. Aam Aadmi Party has ruined Delhi in last 10 years. Similar.
No, I don't want to get into. I just want to know whether there's any
Across the
proof.
country,
If there is no proof, you should say we have no proof, right? I mean, you are the one accusing BJP and AAP of.
BJP leaders.
Yes.
BJP leaders were openly distributing money.
Which BJP leader was distributing money? You tell Shazia. She's right here.
Yes, so
you tell her
I-
which BJP leader was distributing money.
Pankaj ji, I know what you are referring to. You are talking about Parvesh
What
Sharma,
this-
who did this along with before his name was announced, before the model code of conduct was in place, and he did something that he's been doing. He says very proudly that I'm distributing this, and he does it in the presence of journalists.
What is
And
he
everybody.
distributing? What is
There
he
no
distributing?
secret.
No, what
And
is- what is-
MCC
what
was
is he
also-
distributing?
There is no law.
What is he
to prevent that
distributing?
one.
Fact of the
And he
matter
says
is
his
whether
father's
he-
NGO has been
whether
doing
he
it
was
every year.
distributing
What
money
prevented you
before the
or Aam Aadmi
implementation
Party
of
from going
code
to
of
accuse the
conduct?
police? Because now you can go to election.
So you are
commission
saying
and
one minute,
MCC
one
was
minute,
not there.
one minute.
And he quotes he cites his NGO and shows evidence of having done the same for the last many years, almost 2 decades. His father and he's done this.
What do
Whether
they
it's
do?
distribution
What do
of
they do? I
packets.
want to know.
So
What do
I
they
don't
do?
understand
What do
his
they
name
do?
was also not announced.
What do they
Tell
do?
me-
Distribute money.
Tell me, ever since Parvesh Verma's name has been announced, whether there has been any distribution of money and anybody has any evidence. You know, I expect more from you,
These
Pankaj ji, coming from the
technicalities have
Congress
no
party.
meaning.
Yeah,
These
yeah,
Because
technicalities
Aam Aadmi
have
Party
no
lies,
meaning.
you know. I mean, I'm still waiting for Atishi to come back and tell us. She was saying in the last Lok Sabha election that she's being vowed and wooed and lured by crores of money, but she could not give a name of a person. She could not cite as to where the jinn appeared from. But I want to ask you, I mean, what stops you? If you know this, then you better tell us. And more than better, instead of telling us and accusing us, you go to election commission. What stops you?
No, I have a different point out here. You are saying, I just want to get it correct. 1 minute. Shazia, just a minute, Pankaj.
learned all
Pankaj,
this from you.
Pankaj, 1 minute. Pankaj, 1 minute. Shazia, are you saying live tonight that your leader is distributing money?
No, I'm not saying that. I know what he was referring to about a month back, and there were stories done on that when Parvesh invited everybody, and there were lots of people there. This is a month back before the even elections were announced.
Why was
So
he distributing money a month back?
No, he before his name was announced and
No,
before
why
there
was he
NCC
distributing money
code in
before his
place.
name was
So
announced?
This is a month back.
Doesn't matter, but why was he
they have-
distributing money?
They have no evidence whatsoever
What? No.
that
How-
anything was distributed
month
for,
back.
On what-
any
on what
cash or
basis?
votes
3 days
was
before
done
the
On what?
anyway.
1 minute. I think you'll be
And
good.
there is-
Shazia,
before the-
Shazia, you'll be caught on the wrong foot on this one. Shazia, you'll be caught on the wrong foot on this one.
Vote humko karo.
No. 1 minute. See, there are many ways of approaching voters. Now, all the people who he has been giving money to, he's been seen giving cash to apparently, just before he was announced, are voters. Natural corollary to that question will be, can you not do something for voters? What kind of election campaign is this where you distribute money?
So first of all, this is what Parvesh says and believes, and which is why Aam Aadmi Party and Congress had to back off, and they could not even take the matter to a police station because his NGO has been doing the same year after year. And he says this is accounted money. This is
Accounted
not
means
black
what?
money. This is from my NGO, and this is not only to
Even
the
if you are
constituency
using the
from which I
NGO
would be
route for it,
contesting.
even
This is
if
also
even
not
if
from the constituency,
if today
this is something
if
that I've been doing, and it is done publicly in front of everybody.
No, doesn't
where
matter.
blankets are
Suppose
given.
Priyanka
And I
Kakkar
don't
has an
think there's
NGO.
anything-
Priyanka versus Shazia. Suppose Priyanka Kakkar has an NGO. And Priyanka Kakkar, through her NGO, distributes money. and then it is all captured on tape. Will you say it's a legit thing to do?
If Priyanka Kakkar has been doing it along with her father, and which is an NGO, for 20 years and is doing the same, having invited the press people and everybody, and is distributing blankets, something that she's done down the years from her own account, there is nothing wrong with that. There is no law against it because MCC was not in place at that point of time.
Of course,
Which
it is against the law.
Which
Oh
is
my
why the
God.
likes of Priyanka Kakkar did not go to the police station, which is why they stopped.
Now, the
But
question is
after
on
the
legality
NCC has
tonight.
been announced, if anybody is distributing money, blankets, anything at all, in lieu of votes, and they're caught, it's completely wrong.
How do you
There
determine?
is
How
no
do you
case to
determine?
arrest
Now, 1 minute. Here's a question here. Suppose Priyanka Kakkar is distributing 1,000 rupee notes, and Republic catches her, and that video goes on social media, and we go to Priyanka Kakkar that why are you distributing money to voters? Priyanka Kakkar says, I'm distributing money, but it is not in lieu of votes. I'm just distributing money because I have a golden heart, or I want to help poor
No,
people.
but Priyanka would be completely wrong and liable to have action taken against her because she would be violating the Model Code of Conduct.
Why are you laughing, Priyanka? I'm asking her a series of questions on that matter. Her point is this was done before the MCC came into effect. So it proves nothing. Huh?
Yeah, and Priyanka knows
Arnab ji,
that, which is why
Arnab ji,
she's quiet, which is
before-
why she's
before the
laughing, because she knows better than that. This is a party which shamelessly lies.
Put me in the middle.
And here,
You have to
Parvesh Verma,
unmute her.
a month
There is
back,
no other way I
distributes
can speak.
something to his,
Yeah, one word,
to his
one.
people and doesn't even hide it. So, which is why they don't have nothing to say. What is the evidence Pankaj has or Priyanka has? And in fact, Priyanka has a lot to answer for. I'm telling you something that I have witnessed. I used to go to the police station when I was a candidate of AAP against Dheeraj Tokas, whose wife has been MLA.
1 minute.
I think
No, I'm
twice
only
over.
focused on the
So
cash
it's
issue.
Quite shameful.
I'm
It's
only
quite brazen
I'm
and-
only on the
and
cash issue.
shameless
I'm only
of
on the cash
Priyanka to
issue.
laugh.
I'm only on the cash issue. Of course, we can all argue that all of these arguments are being made because AAP is nervous. But you don't have a technical case here. This is done before the MCC. Right? So there's no law that has been violated at all. Can you prove a law was violated, Priyanka?
Yes, I can. See, I'll tell you very simply. Like the company has articles of association of why a company was formed, every NGO, it must be registered and has a charter of what the purpose of the NGO is. Now, what happens also is in this case, there were cards that were distributed that were caught on a media sting which said Ladli Behna Yojana, and on top of that there was JP Nadda and Pradhan Mantri Modi. So you see that NGO argument falls flat also because the people who took those 1100 rupees said that we were asked to vote for
Why
BJP.
didn't you go to the
Also,
police
after
station?
the MCC
What
came
stopped
into
you?
operation,
Why
Parvesh
didn't you
Verma
go to the
shamelessly was
police?
distributing shoes and sarees. That was
Yeah,
also.
why didn't you go to
अरे ये
the
बीच में
police?
बोलने
I'm
लग
asking
जाती है
you,
यार,
what
ऐसे में से
stopped
डिबेट
you?
होती नहीं है.
What stopped you dead in your tracks? Why didn't you go? You
Arnab ji, I will
repeated
not be
everything,
debating
right?
like this.
One
I
minute.
have a simple question.
Shazia, I spent substantial
Can you
amount
please
of
keep
time.
quiet?
You listen to her entire argument, please. All right, complete.
Yeah, and then we went to the police, we went to the election commission, we have filed complaints on this regard. Election commission office is just 30 meters away from Parvesh Verma's illegally occupied MP bungalow, and there he was doing all these illegalities very openly.
What illegality?
But no action has been taken.
What illegality?
And there's a larger issue also.
What illegality?
In Madhya
What
Pradesh, for
illegality?
example.
Just specify.
Ek second.
Specify the illegality.
I just told you, the NGO charter has to specify what the purpose of the NGO is. आपने सुनी नहीं मेरी बात. I
was
also
the
told
case
you that
made?
the NGO
Was the case
also
made?
cannot have a Ladli
Was the
Behan
case
Yojana
made?
ka
What is the law
card,
that he
which was
violated?
there.
And there is a registered
Shazia.
NGO. There is a registered
Array,
NGO.
madam, one,
which
you
has been
cannot
doing
have
this work. I have
unaccounted
seen all
cash.
the
Two, you
pictures
have to
of
prove what the
yesteryears
NGO was
that,
formed
that he
for.
does it.
I
He
cannot
does
be
it, and he
debating
did it
such
very
low level
openly. He
of
does it
arguments.
every 6 months or 3 months, and he does it
These
very
arguments,
regularly.
yeah,
Whether it's
Vansh, it doesn't let
and
you
it is
speak.
not just to his
There can't be an
constituency
intelligent
to be,
debate on your show
also his
several
own
times, Arnab ji.
constituency. His,
Arnab ji,
his
you have to
father
be-
No,
and
but
his
but
family
I also am
for
I
many
to
years.
am I to assume here Priyanka that there's genuinely a lack of a focus in your campaign this time? See what has happened is, Priyanka, look at it logically. Usually your entire focus is on free this, free that, free this, free that. free electricity, free water. Now BJP has gone ahead of you in those points. And you don't have a counterpoint. Your entire campaign has been so far to get... No, the point is, where is your point? You see, the thing is, you're caught in Sheesh Mahal, you're caught in Liquor Gate. Even Bibhab Kumar was assaulting Swati Maliwal inside the Chief Minister's residence. Right? And
फांसी चढ़ा दो, if it's true. What is taking you so long? You have the investigation.
Kailash Gehlot left you, Rajkumar Anand left you. You have not given money to the imams.
Shanti joined us from the BJP. So many joined us.
Yeah, but you didn't do well.
Them already, although I know Imam ka
you lost 10 out. You lost 10 out of 13. You lost 10 out of 13 in Punjab. You lost 7 out of 7 in Delhi. So you're little.
We just won 3 out of 4 in Punjab.
You won 3 out of 3.
Also won 3 out of 4 in Punjab recently.
3 out of 13 Lok Sabha seats you contested in
by polls.
3 out of 13.
Also the
Lok
MCD
Sabha.
elections we just won in Punjab recently.
So my point is that you are anxious now. You know, like Satyendra Jain, Sanjay Singh.
No, I'm anxious about not being able to put my point across.
Go on.
This debate.
I'm waiting.
It is so difficult to get my point across on this debate. You gave so much uninterrupted.
I have full time to you. You can please.
Rant था उनका पूरा इतना unintelligent argument
नहीं,
बोलते रहो
था प्रियंका. No. Offense is not always the best form of defense, and we all know better than that. Okay.
अरे एवरीवन नोज आप हिंदू हितैषी बनते हो, कैसे पंजाबियों को खतरा बता रहे हो आप, कैसे पूर्वांचली समाज को, पूर्वांचली ब्राह्मणों को क्या बोल रहे हो आप, सबको पता है.
Who has taught him Ramayan? The same Guru has taught him Ramayan. The same Guru has taught.
अरे why are you in रावण के समर्थन में?
नहीं, द्रोणाचार्य ने
लोग
काटा था.
आप अगर ये सारी फ्री सर्विसेज में हमें ओवरटेक करना चाहते हो तो अपने यूपी में दे दो ना 8 घंटा की बिजली. आपके यूपी में तो 24 घंटा बिजली तक नहीं आती है अब तक. मोटे बिल आते हैं. 200 यूनिट हमारे यहाँ फ्री है, 400 यूनिट हमारे यहाँ 985 रुपीज का है, 400 यूनिट महाराष्ट्र में 4500 का है, 400 यूनिट उत्तर प्रदेश में 2700 का है. You are all राक्षस प्रवृत्ति के लोग. You are all कंस के वंशज. You are all रावण के वंशज.
यही होता है. नए हिंदू बनो ना तो यही होता है. चुनावी मौसम में
योगी जी आए थे ना पिछली बार भी जहाँ सब जगह हार गए थे, फिर आए. Did you hear this Arnab today? They are not talking about the Gujarat model anymore. They are saying UP model.
And then
गुजरात मॉडल की पोल खुल गई, यूपी मॉडल पे आ गए. अब यूपी मॉडल जो नीति आयोग में कहता है कि इनके स्कूल और हॉस्पिटल सबसे नीचे है, हमसे कंपेयर करोगे हम सबसे ऊपर है. आप कह रहे थे दिल्ली को रूइन कर दिया. दिल्ली की पर कैपिटा इनकम हाईएस्ट है, महंगाई सबसे कम है, बेरोजगारी सबसे कम है. पता है आपको? रेवेन्यू सरप्लस बजट है. पता है आप? पता है पिछली बार जब 14 जगह योगी जी गए वो सारी 14 जगह हार गए. इस बार भी
again you line. Whether it's Karaval Nagar or it's Gandhi Nagar and many others. So again you line.
जामिया नगर, तुगलकाबाद, बदरपुर, द्वारका, पटपड़गंज, मुस्तफाबाद, विकासपुरी, शाहदरा, ओखला, कालकाजी, नरेला.
Lost all. Operation Lotus and how ED is trying to woo him.
रोहिंग्या बसाते हो आप देश में.
Election by our
रोहिंग्या को यहाँ बिठा के बिरयानी खिलानी, कितने डिपोर्ट किए आपने?
Also know that. That's नहीं प्रियंका. I know much more than you. तो
बताओ कितना. आपको मध्य प्रदेश में कैश वाली कार मिली थी, उसमें रेड बुक मिली जिसने भाजपा के नेताओं के नाम से किसी को अरेस्ट नहीं किया. कैश की बात हो रही थी ना. अरे कैश बता रही हूँ कहाँ मिला. कैश बता रही हूँ आज बिहार में मिला. मशीनों से
58 crore of the same middle class that Arvind Kejriwal was talking about. 58 crore was given as salaries to imams.
हर चीज में
you're remembering Granthis, now you're remembering Pujaris, you're remembering Chaukidars, you're remembering the middle class, you're remembering the RWA.
प्रियंका लाउडर
आ गए आपके झूठों से.
क्या हो गया?
गुजरात मॉडल तो आप खुद ही मान गए हो फेल है, तभी यूपी मॉडल करने लग गए आप.
कैसे हो गया? एवरी डे
बख्शी के तालाब में आज आए ना योगी जी. बख्शी के तालाब के बीजेपी ने विधायक ने बोला कि 40 करोड़ की नकली सड़क दिल्ली में बनाई सोने की सड़क इन्होंने 550 करोड़ की बनी थी, 7500 करोड़ की बनाई करप्ट लोग कहीं के.
Atishi
चौथी पास
there because Arvind Kejriwal can't sit in the secretariat. So how on earth can he be the CM?
अच्छा सीएम चेहरा कौन है आपका?
तो बताइए अब वो आपका
सीएम चेहरा कौन है? आप भी तो गाली अस्त्र यूज कीजिए. गाली अस्त्र भाजपा का गाली अस्त्र. ब्रह्मास्त्र तो आ गया, लास्ट वेपन इन द आर्सेनल.
बता दूंगी.
गाली अस्त्र यूज कीजिए.
नहीं, it's quite sad, you know.
कौन हमारा पढ़ा लिखा मुख्यमंत्री तुमने अनाउंस कर दिया, आपका कौन है?
He can't sit
केजरीवाल
in the
versus
CM
who?
chair. He can't sign a single
आपके
file.
झूठ गए थे ना,
So
कोर्ट
obviously
गए थे ना
he can't be
बोलने
the
की
CM,
जेल
which is
सरकार
why he
जेल से नहीं
resigned.
चलती।
So not
क्या था ना फाइन कोर्ट में
who is your CM
आपको
face?
50,000
बीजेपी के
देने
तो चाहे
पड़े थे ना
मध्य प्रदेश हो,
आपको।
शाजिया,
छत्तीसगढ़ हो,
बताइए
उड़ीसा
ना।
हो, राजस्थान हो,
केजरीवाल versus
कभी नहीं
who?
होता है। आप बता दीजिए ना,
68 कैंडिडेट्स हैं, आपके पूरे कैंडिडेट भी नहीं हुए इस बार। अजीत पवार अलग से लड़ रहे हैं, जितेंद्र मांझी कह रहे हैं मेरे को नहीं रहना बीजेपी में।
बता दीजिए ना मैडम।
हाँ, जेडीयू ने विड्रॉ कर लिया सपोर्ट मणिपुर में। पता है आपको ये सब क्या हो रहा है आपकी पार्टी में? लोग छोड़ के जा रहे हैं आपके खुद के।
इतना नहीं स्कैम करो मेरी
नाम
बहन।
पता है कोई सीएम का
अरे
कौन
मैं
बना रहे हो आप
wonderful
दिल्ली में?
sister, you
कौन?
don't have to
केजरीवाल
scam
वर्सेस
so
हु
much.
बताओ ना।
आप
But
बताओ
how
ना,
is-
आप
केजरीवाल
asking
versus
कौन है
who?
आपका? केजरीवाल तो
केजरीवाल
decide नहीं
versus
कर सकता
who?
कुछ।
But Kejriwal
कौन
can't be
बताइए,
chief
आपको
minister,
पता
no.
चलेगा?
One
Let me
minute, one
inform the
minute. But
viewers.
technically,
मांझी क्यों
but
पूछना है?
technically, according to the bail
मांझी
conditions,
पूछना है आज।
no, technically, Priyanka, according to the bail conditions, Kejriwal cannot be chief minister.
You are wrong, Arnab ji. You did not hear any of my arguments and you did not ask any question to Shazia. But you will
He has
again
been
put a wrong
asking me
argument. Please show me the
questions and he has
conditions which
been-
says so. And please
No,
show
no,
me the
no.
law
You
which
know,
says
again, don't
that
play dirty
executive
here.
can
Answer the
curtail
question.
powers of the
Again, you're
judiciary
playing
or
dirty.
judiciary can curtail
Again, you're
powers of
playing
the
dirty. Why do you keep muddying
or
the waters?
they can curtail
What
power
is-
of the
what is
parliament
this
or any
love
of
with
the
being
vice versa.
murky all
Please
the
tell
time?
me.
Why don't you answer? If Kejriwal can't be CM today,
रोहिंग्या
if he
प्रेमी
can't sign a
भाजपाई,
file today,
रोहिंग्या प्रेमी,
how on earth can he
रोहिंग्या
be
को
the CM?
बसाएंगे,
You also
बिरयानी
know there's gonna be
खिलाएंगे,
a case.
हमारे resources
So
पे
Kejriwal
उनको
cannot and
पालेंगे,
is not
उनका
your
वोट
CM
बैंक
candidate.
बनाएंगे।
Shazia.
Cannot be.
Deport
You
करेंगे
never have
नहीं।
a CM who can't sign a file, right? CM is expected
केजरीवाल
to
versus
be a
who?
CM, chief
IITN
minister,
versus
in charge
who?
of governance.
कौन सा
In the state,
अनपढ़
primers
नेता आएगा आपका इस बार
interference.
केजरीवाल जी के सामने या केजरीवाल वर्सेस गाली
If he
गलौज
cannot
नेता।
sign, how can he be the chief minister?
Ladies and
so tell
gentlemen.
me who's the
रमेश
CM face?
जमूरी डिबेट से
Okay.
भाग
अरे
गए।
भाई, who is the CM face?
Okay, now, Priyanka and Shazia, the one thing I will all agree on, it's a AAP versus BJP election. Where is Congress, by the way? Congress is not even there in the election.
Anyone who's connected to the ground knows that
But you know what will happen if they take 6% of your vote and you go 4% down, they go BJP goes 4% up. You know, my theory is, and we'll talk on this on the day of the result, Priyanka.
बीजेपी को कौन वोट कर रहा है इस बार? They will
No,
not even get the
8%. If there's
they
an
got last time.
8% swing, then you'll lose power. अगर 8% स्विंग हो जाए ना, अगर कांग्रेस 4% ले जाए और आपका 4% कम हो जाए, फिर यू कैन बी आउट ऑफ पावर. दिस मैथमेटिक्स है, इट्स अ
बीजेपी
मैथ्स.
का कम होगा, बीजेपी का कम होगा।
ठीक है, मिलेंगे.
हाँ, बट बीजेपी का कम होगा।
We'll meet both of us, all of us.
बीजेपी और कांग्रेस एक ही
ये मिलेंगे हम. Priyanka, Shazia, me, we, Pankaj, will all be there on the day of the result. Thank you very much. Cash for votes, ladies and gentlemen. Cash for votes. Who are you voting for in Delhi? Now, another raging debate that's not been looked at in the national